Hello and welcome to our channel Mockup Art. In Mockup Art, today we have included a baseball jersey mockup. If you want this mockup, link can be found in the description box. So let's get started. So if you are a follower of Mockup Art, you know we are most time use the pen tool for our selection. Basically, we will create different types of shapes according to the curves and very other parameters. So if you want, you can skip this part or you can watch it. If you need any help on regarding pen tool selection, you can comment us. We will create a separate video on pen tool, pen tool selection. So most of our selection is ready. I'm just going to put it in a folder. It will be helpful to organize the whole file. So now select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle shape. It will be our smart object. This will be mainly to show what kind of design we are trying to achieve. It's kind of an overlay. Now right click on it and convert it to a smart object. From the selection or object ID, click the base image, Ctrl plus left mouse click, it will be automatically select, then mask it out from the smart object. Use the brush tool and make background color to black and foreground color to white and brush it out the other parts. It will be cleared the other parts from the base image or clear the mask area. Now create a solid color layer and mask out the other portions. Similar process. Go to select and use invert selection. Use the brush tool, click on the mask area and brush it out. Follow up the same process for inverse section. Now open up the smart object and place the design you want to show on your t-shirt. Change the color accordingly you want to show. Now this is the main part. We have created the all colors and everything, but it wouldn't be so until we create some layers for lighting and shadow purpose. So select the whole image and make 3 copy of it. From the down to top, name it shadow, midtone and light layer. Now turn off the light and midtone layer and make the shadow layer to liner burn from the layer mode. Turn on the midtone layer, make it liner dodge add. You have to adjust the levels or curves for showing the lighting. Just reduce it. Try to make it a little bit darker. Don't overexpose it so it will be burn out the whole image. Just a little bit. It will be totally up to you how much light you want to put or how much darker you want to make it. Same follow the light layer, make it screen, go to image adjustment and levels, reduce it way down. Tweak it just a little more. Okay. create another solid color layer. It will be our background color. We are going to create a shadow or make this mockup more realistic. So create a ellipse, then go to blur, Gaussian blur, and reduce the blurriness. Create a mask, use the brush tool and stroke out, reduce the opacity a little bit and stroke it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates.